Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Heavy rains has caused Kapakalua Dam to overflow on the Hawaiian island of Maui. A flash flood advisory is in effect for much of the eastern Hawaii island, and nearby residents in the community of Haiku are being evacuated. The Kapakalua Dam was built in 1885 and is one of the oldest agricultural dams on Maui. The eastern dam is 57 feet high and can hold 68 million gallons of water. It has maximum storage capacity of 210 acre-feet. The eastern dam in the Haiku region of Maui crested over the top of the middle of the heavy rains and flash flood warning conditions. Approximately 9,000 people live in Haiku in Maui, the site of an evacuation that was prompted shortly before the water exceeded the capacity of Kapakalua Dam. Heavy rain caused water to overtop the dam, and people living below the dam is asked to evacuate immediately until the water level subsides and the integrity of the dam is determined. Half a dozen of homes are heavily damaged or destroyed after the heavy rains breached dam on Maui. The National Weather Service reported that 13.2 inches of rain fell in the Haiku area of the Maui's north coast. People in the nearby areas are urged to be vigilant after the evidence of the landslides. This real flooding situation is not seen there in a long time, and some of the residents of the region have told that this is the worst they have seen in over 25 years. The Maui Fire Department responded to more than a dozen calls for help from residents trapped by the rising waters. The section of dam road had multiple downed trees that were removed to the side and fast flowing waters running beneath. Deep moisture will remain over the state through Tuesday, bringing the potential for persistent heavy rain that could lead to flash flooding. More significant flooding may occur due to the overflow of streams and drainages. Roads in the several areas may be closed, along with the property damage in urban or low-lying spots due to the runoff. Landslides may also occur in areas with steep terrain. A dam failure turned fatal in Hawaii in 2006 when 7 people were killed after the Kaloko Dam on the island of Kauai collapsed and hundreds of gallons of the water rushed down hills. Flash flood warning is issued for the island Maui and surrounding area, and people are warned head to higher ground due to the heavy rain or rising waters. A flash flood watch means the conditions are favorable for flash flooding. We know that the flash flooding is life-threatening. People advised not to cross fast-flowing water in their vehicles or on foot. The National Weather Service and Hawaii County Civil Defense advised residents of Hilo, Puna, and Hamakua districts to be alert for localized flooding as heavy rain continues in those districts. The radar indicated heavy rain falling over windward direction, falling at the rate of 2 to 3 inches per hour. Widespread clouds and showers are expected in all these areas through at least Tuesday night, as an upper level disturbance interacts with the moisture moving in from east and south. Breezy to potentially strong easterly trade winds will prevail for next couple of days, weakening during the second half of the upcoming week as the surface drain moves over the islands. The island of Maui is made up of numerous different subclimates. Depending on where you are, the weather can act in a multitude of ways. For most of the parts, each area has a general weather pattern. Average annual rainfall varies from about 400 inches in the high elevation rainforest above Hana to 10 inches in Kihei, which is only about 15 minutes apart. Heavy rainfall and associated floods occur frequently in the Hawaiian Islands and have caused huge economic losses as well as social problems. Among all islands, the pattern on the island of Hawaii is most distinguishable, with a high frequency of events along the eastern slopes of Mauna Kea, so that the sharp gradient in the extreme events from the east to west is prominent. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like these, and please subscribe our channel.